It was all for you. I'm pretty excited till 11:30. I am super tired today and thoda sa annoyed because last night na the construction went on till 11 p.m. Like 11 p.m. भी कोई time होता है. It was so noisy. I couldn't sleep. उसके बाद मेरी नींद ही उड़ गई. I don't think so. I slept till 11:30 or 12 and I woke up at 5:30. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ही tired हूँ. I also went for my walk. Stayed away from caffeine first thing in the morning. वो नहीं ली. I just finished my first coffee of the day. I don't know when's the caffeine gonna kick in, but I really needed to because आज I wanna focus all my energy on getting a vlog up for you. Also do me a favor and let me know, are you guys liking the vlogs lately? It would really help me out. मेरा उठने का मन तो नहीं कर रहा, but I'll have to go sit at my desk and start editing. मैंने अभी तक rough cut भी नहीं किया है, so it's gonna take me a long time. Let's do it. I'll have to get up. The worst just happened. All my audio from the video I edited is gone. Okay, I was able to retrieve the audio. बहुत टाइम लग गया, but somehow the solutions worked. मेरे साथ हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है. Whenever I think कि आज मुझे बहुत कुछ करना है, I attract all the problems into my life. Anyways, I'm gonna have my lunch. आज ना lunch बहुत simple है. I just have some कद्दू की सब्जी, बूंदी का रायता and roti. I'm gonna enjoy my lunch in peace now that I know the audio is back. Okay, I just got thoda sa ready to step out of the house because today I am not feeling it. I do not know क्या हुआ है. I just don't feel it and मुझे पता भी नहीं where will we head out to. But I just felt like getting out of the house. बहुत weird feeling है. I do not know how to explain it. And also मुझे ना एक बहुत annoying सा बिंदी पिंपल हुआ है. मुझे ना usually समझ में ये एक बार ही तो होता ही है. I am not sure कहाँ से आया, क्यों हुआ. I hate it. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, so we are here at Roots. हमें जब भी समझ नहीं आता ना where should we go and we still wanna sit in open air, हम हमेशा यहीं आते हैं. The best part is यहाँ पर इतनी शांति है. It's situated like मतलब on the outskirts of Leisure Valley Park. मतलब उसके अंदर भी है, उसके बाहर भी है, somewhat like that. And seating बहुत अच्छी है. Summers में थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है to sit like especially in the humid weather. Winters में it's so good. अभी भी आज मौसम it's like bearable, so yeah, we're gonna enjoy our time here. just like that, I am back home. I genuinely feel so good. कई बारी ना एक छोटी सी outing just resets your entire mood. I feel like I really needed to step out of the house today. And right now I'm just gonna do my skincare and have my dinner. मैंने ना dinner पहले से ही prep कर दिया था. So I made yellow dal and roti. And I'm gonna simply enjoy some dal roti. मुझे ना like दाल चावल और दाल रोटी ना अल्टीमेट कंफर्ट फूड लगता है. आई थिंक आफ्टर हैविंग माई डिनर आई एम जस्ट गोना गो स्ट्रेट टू बेड क्योंकि अभी इट्स 8:22 एंड आई फील लाइक कि डिनर करते करते ना काफ़ी टाइम हो जाएगा. सो आई थिंक या दैट इज़ गोना बी इट. Good morning you guys. I woke up comparatively late today. I do not know, बस मन ही नहीं कर रहा था उठने का. It feels like my body needed the extra rest. So मैंने वही किया. I took my sweet time in getting up today. And unfortunately I woke up to construction sounds. So not really feeling it. सुबह उठ के ना ऐसे like to see out of the window, to have that free time. It's just I don't think so I have the correct word, but बहुत अच्छा लगता है to just sit idly and just sip on my water slowly. Although the construction sounds वो नहीं चाहिए, but what can we do? Anyways, let's get the day started. मैं ऐसे बैठी रही तो बस बैठी रह जाऊंगी. So yeah, let's go head into the kitchen, refill our water and let's see how the day unfolds. I am making a new coffee recipe for shorts. Can you guess? I can tell it's gonna be good. और इस बार इतनी गर्मी है ना. I am so frustrated right now because what I wanna do वैसा कैमरा पे आ ही नहीं रहा है. And I do not know, maybe I'm too much in my head, so I just stepped away from my phone and I'm gonna take a break and do a haul for you. So I went to the mall. I think you must have seen it in the last vlog if I'm not wrong. And I bought something from Tira and मैंने Nykaa पे भी order place किया था because I was running out of a few things. So firstly I'm gonna show you मैंने Tira से क्या लिया. I'm all out of my loose. Construction. I'm all out of my loose powder, so I got this from Anastasia and I'm so glad मैंने Tira पे जाके like outlet पे I tried everything because the powder that I wanted to buy initially that did not suit my dry skin. Like my under eyes were looking so bad. I am so glad कि मैं अपने instinct पे नहीं गई. ये translucent है, it's perfect, it suited my skin. So yeah, मैंने mall से यही लिया, but from Nykaa I stocked up कुछ essentials पे. First is this Dove का body wash. Then I got this Nivea का Derma Control roll on. I am done with finding a good or a perfect natural slash semi-natural deodorant. I haven't been able to find a perfect one. मतलब या तो वो stain करता है या वो long lasting नहीं है. So I just went ahead with this one. There's no other reason why I got it. उसके बाद I got the Maybelline की Fit Me foundation. It's just a restock. My old one is about to expire next month. तो मैंने सोचा अभी सेल लगी है, I should get it. Next up are these cotton pads. ये ना बहुत thin होते हैं. I usually use them for my rose water. Like after washing my face, I still feel like कि dirt है अभी भी like in my pores or something, because जब मैं swipe करती हूँ the cotton pads always come out dirty. Maybe that's the con of living in Delhi NCR. And the last thing I got is this Fay Beauty का brown kajal. I need it for my waterline because मेरा पुराने वाला, like I love Color Bar का smoky kajal, the brown one, but I cannot find it anywhere and मेरा टूट चुका है. Like I'm struggling to use it. So yeah, pretty excited to try out this one. Finally, I was able to do it. It's 5:30 p.m. I started at around 12 p.m. I just couldn't do it. I do not know, but हो गया. Finally हो गया. I thought हो ही नहीं पाएगा मुझसे, but हो गया. It is almost 6:15 p.m. I'm gonna start prepping dinner, but शाम की भूख के लिए I have this Super You का wafer, and ये है choco peanut butter flavor में. I've never tried this out. AB just went to the shops yesterday and वहाँ पर he saw this. He got me to try it out. So let's do that. इसकी हालत तो इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, I think because of heat. But let's taste it. मुझे वैसे peanut butter अलग से बहुत पसंद है, but chocolate and peanut butter का combination, I am personally not a fan of it, but I'll give it a try. Peanut butter का flavor ना इतना strong नहीं है, but as soon as I opened it, मुझे smell से लगा था that it would be strong. But in all fairness, मुझे ये पुराने मतलब like और flavors जैसा ही लगा. Nothing extraordinary, but it's good. Try करना है? आज हम दोनों ने ब्लू डाला है. ट्विनिंग हमारी है ना, हमेशा ही एक्सीडेंटल ट्विनिंग होती है. चॉकलेटी है. But I feel like कि बाकी फ्लेवर्स जैसा ही है. There's nothing different, है ना, यूनिक नहीं है. But good, ठीक है. मैं योगा करने लगूँ. My hair is in a claw clip because इतनी गर्मी है ना आज. मतलब मेरा सिर, I do not know, like ऐसे लग रहा है कि सब गरम है. बट एनीवेज I'm gonna prep some chia seed की pudding for tomorrow's snack, क्योंकि ये जो भूख लगती है ना उसमें I do not want to eat unhealthy-ish, but ये वाला like let's do it. So I have this Kirab का lactose free yogurt and some coconut milk, and इन्हीं सबको यूज़ करके I'm gonna prep some chia seed pudding for tomorrow. All done, let's put it in the fridge. Alright you guys, it is officially night time and I am pretty tired, exhausted and so ready to go into bed. I've already had my magnesium gummies, so I know I'm gonna sleep well. I hope you enjoyed watching this and I'm gonna start a new vlog tomorrow. So yeah, I can't wait to see you in the next one. Take care, good night, bye.